Welcome to SpiceCandies. We're making something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. This is ginger cinnamon. As well as trying the ginger itself and the cinnamon itself, which are both great. I wanted to combine them and see how they do. So let's see how it goes. Let's get started. Well, that's it. Let's give it a try. I'll take a single triangle. That's interesting. You can feel both flavors, but they're sort of contradicting each other. So it's a sort of a neutral flavor. That's really odd. I like these, but I'm not so sure how much I like these. It's the first attempt. They're rather nice, and I'll try them again tomorrow and tell you what my opinion about it is. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a sweet day.